If you're replanning to invest in 2025, or you already started but still feel unsure whether you're redoing it right, then stop scrolling because this might be the most valuable video you watch this year. Most people don't realize that the biggest investing mistakes are not the ones that look obvious. The real danger comes from the decisions that seem small, harmless, or even logical, but silently destroy wealth. And in 2025, when markets are more unpredictable than ever, these mistakes are even easier to fall into. That's why today, I'm revealing the 5 biggest investing mistakes to avoid in 2025. Mistakes most beginners make, most investors overlook, and that nobody warns you about until it's too late. But here's the twist. These mistakes are not just about losing money, they are about losing time, opportunity, and the long-term growth that could have built real wealth for you. So if you want to build wealth, protect your money, and avoid years of financial regret, keep watching till the end. Because the 5th mistake is the one even smart investors ignore. And before we begin, a quick call to action. If you want more videos on how to build wealth, invest smart, and grow your money, even on a low income, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another wealth-building strategy. Most people enter 2025 believing it's their year to invest. Stocks, crypto, index funds, ETFs, real estate. Everyone wants a piece of the growing future economy. But the truth is, the market is not the problem. The strategy is not the problem. The problem is the mindset and the decisions that sabotage everything before it even begins. And the first mistake is one almost every beginner makes without even realizing it. People start investing with excitement, but not with education. They put money into what's trending, what's being hyped on TikTok or YouTube, what their friend heard from somebody, or what they feel is going up fast. This FOMO mindset creates the biggest loss for beginners. Not because the investment is wrong, but because they invest without understanding the fundamentals, how the asset grows, what affects the price, what the long-term value is, or whether it fits their risk level. In 2025, with AI stocks, crypto cycles, and global economic shifts, investing blindly is more dangerous than ever. Every smart investor knows money grows when knowledge grows. Wealth follows strategy, not emotion. So if you want to avoid the first mistake, always research before investing. Use Google Trends to check what's rising. Look at long-term charts. Watch how institutions behave. And always study before you buy. Education turns risk into opportunity. But the second mistake is even more dangerous. It's thinking you can time the market. In 2025, markets are moving faster than ever because of AI-driven trading, global news, inflation, interest rates, and unpredictable events. Trying to buy at the lowest point and sell at the highest point is a trap that costs beginners money every single year. People wait too long, panic too early, or jump in too late. They get excited when prices rise and terrified when prices drop. As a result, they lose both opportunity and money. The truth is simple. Time in the market beats timing the market. Wealth grows for those who stay consistent, not for those who chase perfection. Even the best investors in the world admit they cannot time the market. So if you want to avoid one of the biggest investing mistakes in 2025, build a simple habit. Invest regularly, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. The third mistake is one that silently destroys wealth for millions of people. Investing without a clear plan. Most beginners invest randomly. A little crypto here, a little stock there, a trending ETF, a video recommendation, a friend's advice, a quick guess. But without a strategy, investing becomes gambling. And gambling has one rule: the house always wins. In investing, the market becomes the house and you lose. A proper investing plan answers 3 questions. How much can you invest consistently? What is your long-term goal? What level of risk can you emotionally and financially handle? When you answer these questions, investing stops being stressful and becomes predictable. A long-term plan builds wealth even in uncertain years, like 2025. A plan gives direction. A plan gives confidence. A plan protects you from emotional decisions. And emotional decisions are exactly what create the 4th mistake. Mistake number 4, panic selling. This destroys more wealth than bad investments. Every year, beginners buy high, sell low, and repeat. They see the market drop a little and immediately think everything is crashing. They react emotionally instead of thinking strategically. In 2025, with market volatility expected to increase, this mistake is even more common. But here's the truth. Money is made during dips, not during peaks. Dips are discounts. Crashes are opportunities. Wealthy people don't panic, they accumulate. They invest more when prices fall. They know temporary drops don't destroy value, fear does. If you want to build long-term wealth, you must master your emotions. Your mindset will determine your money more than any stock or investment ever will. But now, we reach the fifth and most dangerous investing mistake to avoid in 2025. This is the mistake nobody talks about. The mistake that feels comfortable, safe, and logical, but quietly kills your financial future. Doing nothing, waiting for the perfect moment, delaying investing because you want to save more first, thinking you'll invest when the market stabilizes, believing you need more knowledge, more money, more confidence, more time. This is the silent wealth killer. Inflation grows, opportunity grows, the market grows, but your money doesn't unless you start. The biggest mistake is thinking you need a lot of money to begin. You don't. You need consistency, not capital. Even $10 a week can grow into thousands over time. The earlier you start, the faster compounding works for you. The later you start, the harder it becomes. So, if you're watching this video thinking I'll start later, then understand this clearly. Later is the most expensive word in financial history. Every millionaire began with a first investment. Every wealthy person began with a small step. Every big outcome started with a small decision. 2025 can be the year you change your financial life, but only if you avoid these mistakes and start now. If you want more videos on how to invest smart, avoid financial traps, and build wealth even on a low income, make sure you check out the next video on the channel. It will help you take the next step in your investing journey. Before you go, remember, wealth is not built by chance, it's built by choice. And today, you have a choice. Avoid these mistakes, stay consistent, think long-term, and your future self will thank you. For more wealth-building content, visit the channel and watch the next video now.